How do you make your action lines cleaner so that your script reads fast and feels cinematic? Overwritten action lines are one of the easiest ways to lose a reader's attention. Film is visual, so your writing should feel visual, efficient, and rhythmic. The goal here is to keep it simple. Say only what we can see or hear. If it can't be filmed, then it doesn't belong in the action. For example, instead of writing, Sarah feels scared as she remembers her childhood trauma and wonders if she'll survive the night, you would write something more like, Sarah's hand trembles, her breath shortens, and she presses against the wall, waiting. The emotion is still there, but it's shown and not explained. Keep each paragraph short, which would be maybe 1 to 3 lines maximum. Big blocks of text slow the pace and feel heavy on the page. Readers should be able to see the movie as they read. Also, focus on movement and rhythm. Don't describe every detail of how someone crosses a room or opens a door. Pick the action that matters, the one that reveals intention or emotion. Instead of saying, he walks to the kitchen, opens the fridge, takes out a bottle, unscrews the cap, and takes a sip, you would write, he gulps straight from the bottle. Same action, 5 times faster. Use strong, simple verbs, slams, snaps, grabs, stumbles. Avoid filler words like starts to, begins to, or tries to. They add hesitation without adding value. And remember that rhythm matters. Short sentences read fast and create tension. Longer ones slow things down and let the reader breathe. Use that intentionally. The pace of your writing controls the pace of your scene. When you simplify your action lines, you don't lose detail, you focus it. Clarity always reads better than clutter. And that is how to simplify overwritten action lines and make your script more cinematic. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.